Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel where we share with you some of the best design ideas for small apartments. In this video, we will show you the 35 part of our series, Cute Small Apartment Rapid Design Ideas. You will see how to decorate your small living space with style and functionality using some clever tips and tricks. Whether you need inspiration for your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or bathroom, you will find something here that suits your taste and budget. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Now let's get started. Let's start with this living room. From the image, here you can see an interesting idea to make it comfortable and inviting. More exactly, how to add some personality and colors with accessories such as small paintings, cushions, area vases, and floral arrangements. Next, let's move on to the bedroom where you rest and recharge. Here is a smart idea to make it comfortable and cozy while also keeping it clutter-free and organized. You can see how using light colors such as white and beige for walls create a calm and spacious atmosphere, and also using some pops of color or patterns will add some interest and character. Let's see now a cute small apartment in black and white walls, kitchen and black cabinets, dining area with black dining table, stylish living area with black area rug and two small coffee tables, one black and one white. An adorable decor idea, cozy, comfy and stylish at the same time. Another small bedroom, this time with a bold blue accent wall and a leather headboard. Using proper lighting such as wall-mounted lamps create a warm and cozy atmosphere. Soft and fluffy textiles such as bedding, pillows, blankets, or curtains create a comfortable and cozy feeling. Also, the use of a rug or a carpet will add some textures and warmth to the floor. Let's step now into a bright and airy apartment with large windows and white living room walls that make the space look bigger than it really is. The light color of the wooden floor and furniture contributes to this visual effect. Here, we have a tiny but elegant and comfortable master bedroom with a masculine touch. Despite the sober gray and brown color palette, the interior is warm and inviting. Let's see now a beautiful small apartment with a compact but functional open space. L-shaped tiny kitchen with brown cabinets, small and stylish dining area, and quite spacious and comfortable living area. Allow me to end my presentation with this small apartment from the image in a simple, affordable, and no less beautiful Scandinavian design style. Bright and airy with a large sliding glass door leading to a large patio. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your own cute small apartment. Stay tuned for more creative design ideas in the next part of this series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.